Hi everybody, Bo's Garage here. Today we're gonna install these new things which I bought it from the internet. It's called AA Wireless. First we have to install the driver on the phone, which we did already. It's basically no user manual, everything is on this link, and inside in the box you can find only USB cable and the module itself, which is a simple box. With connection on one side and nothing else. Okay, so let's see now the application. Okay, it says there start engine. The car is a 2019 Mustang Bullitt, which we have Android Auto, but it's working only with the cable. So let's now start to install the driver. Engine started. Plug in Auto Wireless. Okay. Okay, so we plugged it in. Next, searching. Yes, pairing device found. Pair. Waiting for Android Auto to start. This can take up to 40 seconds. Okay, this is what I get on the display of the car. Continue. Privacy, blah blah blah. Meanwhile, on the phone, Android Auto would like to turn on Bluetooth. Yes. And it says, and is working. Wish is on. Where is it? Okay, let's start Spotify. Let's start Spotify. Yeah, it's working. I don't want to put the music on because of the Google problems. I mean the YouTube. Let's see what else is working. Everything basically. Maps, podcast, TuneIn, radio, WhatsApp, Messenger. Everything is working. Let's try Maps. Yeah, everything is working. Well, that was easy. That was basically, here are some options, basically settings, updates, help and support, but basically everything is working perfectly. General settings, I'm not gonna modify any of these things because the wireless module is working good, and this makes my life very easy. So now I have to hide the cable from here. So we're here inside, replace this USB, and that's about it. Okay, what is doing? Okay, so let's see if I turn off the phone. Everything will work good. Yeah. Yes, it's working. Yeah. Let's see the weather. Yeah. connecting. Messenger, no new messaging during this drive. Okay, got it. That's it, tuning radio, my favorite. Yeah, it's working awesome. Okay guys, I'm very happy that this was so easy to set up, so I really recommend it to set up with, to buy this product. I am not affiliated any time or any way with this this product. I bought it on the internet, if I remember good, on some Indiegogo or somewhere like that, but it took so long because I was one of the first ones who applied for it, or I paid for it, but it was well worth it. Excellent product. Okay, thank you very much guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe.